are highlighting after this in the lobby. Seniors, somewhere around 9:20 to 9:30, be downstairs. Christy, don't forget the speakers. These glasses were left on the field. And for the elevator, like I know on the girls' floor it's kind of hard. If you have a heavy instrument, you can take the elevator first. We just kind of like made up that rule on the girls' floor. So if you have a sousaphone, drumline, like tenor, baritone, like if you have a lighter instrument, try and take the stairs because it's heavy for them. And they've been marching around all day with us.
Also, something else about the elevators. You cannot play around the elevators. They told us yesterday at this meeting, since elevators are old, people get stuck in them. Jumping up and down.
That happens often.